shoes, and I'm going to open the net.
Oh, I'm just... Okay. Okay, here they come. And hey, to get Henry the first games tonight, we'll get to watch it on TV. Cleveland's playing. Hopefully they'll be victorious like we were tonight in the championship, beating the Nationals. Yes, yes. Grow up. Yeah, and it looks like we're the one that grew up. Henry, always open away from yourself. Here, I'll help you out. Here, you hold the camera. I'll help you. Hold the camera.
No, no.
Come on.
I know how.
Henry, just open it this way. Pry it out this way. Oh, look, there's LeBron James on it. Let me see the box. Oh, yeah. Come on, Henry, you almost got it, buddy. So close. Okay, pull that box out. Here, I'll help you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's flip the box over. That's all right. Right here.
3, 2, 1.
No, don't tear it. Slide them out.
Yes.
It's coming.
Here you go.
Here, other way around. I hold it, you pull. Here, you film. Okay, ready? Coming out. There they are.
No.
Ooh, oh, no way. I think they're authentic.
These are real LeBron.
They are real.
No way.
Can I stop recording?
I want to
Go show them. Right here, I'll go show them. LeBron 12's, we just got them. Henry, let me see you.
Wow.
Oh, Henry, can you hold them real
On
quick?
the ground. Wow, these are really cool.
Oh, thank you.
They smell funny.
Henry, hold them up so I can see you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, sir. Yeah, appreciate that. All right. Let's see the soles of them. Oh, that's full in the front. You gonna wear those to school tomorrow?